Hello, this is Uncle Marky. You've bought yourself some IKEA products like the cube storage. This is the cube storage. What I done to it, I mean, because it's big and heavy and you gotta move it, you know what I mean? I've got two wheels there. See that these two wheels have the lock. Now this whole thing is pretty massive, and this is full now, full of a lot of toys and everything. But you can move it so easily with one finger. See? I'm going to show you. See how I'm moving it? Real easily moves. Got all the toys. It's packed, but you get yourself these wheels. The bigger the wheels, the better. Right, these wheels are. I screw these wheels on to the bottom. I got 6 wheels on this, otherwise it'll bow in the center. You see all the wheels on it? Yeah, these Samsung phones are awful. I'm very sorry. Samsung doesn't allow the DJI app for this gimbal to work. I shouldn't have bought a Samsung. I should have just stayed with Oppo. But anyway, you can see clearly. I'll do it from a distance. Can you see how I'm moving it? Only little effort. The wheels all swivel round and round. Now, if I want to clean underneath this, because I don't have much space, so what I have to do, if I want to bring something, I'll just push it out of the way, and if I bought something like a new cupboard, I could take it straight in. And it's very cheap. I think each tire was about $4.50 from Bunnings. Again, here's an example of it moving real easily. And it's pretty cheap. This is another thing from IKEA that I bought. It's very heavy. You really don't want it stationary. All right, well, I'll just lift this up. Sorry if because I'm by myself, I can't do too much by myself. Yes. Yeah, you can see these caster legs. Okay, I bought these about $3.50 a wheel. Now, you got the tapered screw. I will show you later because I don't want to get rid of this focus. Now, these ones are pretty easy. These are just all square. This one over here, right? You can see it. You have to put the screw in at an angle, otherwise you twist it. All right. Can you see the screw? It's angled in. If you don't angle it in, you'll split the wood. Even here, it's very close to the edge. See how close it is to the edge? These screws go in at angles, so you don't crack them. Now, I'd love to put the flat-headed screws, but they just don't fit, or they would be too small if you fit them. Let's just tighten that up. There we go. Now, this is great. Now, this thing weighs 90 pounds, and I can move it reasonably easy. Right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stand this and show you an example of how easily it moves. Just stand this up. There we go. Now, what I'll do is I'll just move it just real ease. I've taken the drawers out. Right? This one again, see the wheels again? Real easily I'll move it. I'm sorry, I'm by myself. My wife's busy taking care of the kids. Kids always come first. Now, another thing you got to do is you got to make sure the drawers open and close properly. So what you do for that is you get your old friend, Mr. Talcum powder, on your hand. See that there? That's beautiful. On the top one, and all 6 of them. All right, do the other side. That's the The top one is a bit harder. Let's get some off the ground. And what happens is, when you put the drawer in, see that? Real easy. I suggest if you have babies, all right, not to do that because then the babies will start playing. But normally, like, because it's wood, that's all you do. Put a bit of talcum powder. As you see, this thing rolls real easily. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.